Hello, everyone. This is the last session of the four session series of the discussion of Union Budget 2025-26. So here we are just going to make a very brief evaluation of the budget announcements for the next fiscal year. So we can see that this is the expenditure on major items. This has been taken from the budget highlights of the Ministry of Finance from the website of Ministry of Finance. And here you can see that the highest is defense expenditure and next is rural development. So you can see that, of course, the lowest over here is the scientific departments. So the amount is in rupees crores. And here there are some changes from the previous year's budget. So they're showing the percentage change. So there has been an increase in interest payment by 0.75 crore. There has been decrease in expenditure on transport. Defense has seen a 0.10 percentage point decrease. And then there has been a decrease in pension, tax administration, agricultural activities, fertilizer subsidy. Education has seen a rise. Energy has seen an increase. Health has seen increase, a very marginal one, but still. Social welfare has seen some increase. And of course, food subsidy has seen a small decrease, slight decrease. IT and telecom also has seen the same slight decrease. Okay, now next we go to a sector-wise discussion. So we come to allocation for agriculture, and the agricultural department overall has been receiving less allocation, so it is more or less allocation to the agriculture is kind of stagnant. The Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, it has also been stagnated. The PM Kisan, as you can see over here, also is subdued, so it is receiving less amount of allocation. Then we go to renewable energy, and there has been increased allocation as we all want. So India has also pledged to reduce carbon emission. So energy is one of the highest emitter of carbon, both in generation and its usage. So there has been move towards renewable expenditure. So expenditure share for Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has increased over the years. And we can see the allocations, MNRE allocations. So for solar, it has been increasing with time. Then you can see wind is actually not increasing as solar. It has been decreasing, in fact. Hydropower then is also has not seen any increase. Biopower and hydrogen mission is, of course, in the last few years, mission has received a lot of attention. Production of green hydrogen. In future, we'll be having, I suppose, hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, so that will be emission free. Now, next, let's see the allocation for defense. So there has been of course, stagnation in expenditure on defense. So though it was high in 1920, it has almost stagnated now. Then we come to science and technology. So for space research, the allocation is more or less the same for the last 3-4 years. And then for science and technology, there has been a significant increase in this year's budget. So that is a very positive change. Then we come to social sector. So health has always been very subdued, so very marginal increase in expenditure on health. So this is like percentage of total outlay of the budget outlay. Rural development has not seen any significant increase. Higher education actually has seen a very marginal decrease this year. School education is almost stagnant, though a slight increase, and social welfare is also almost it has remained the same. Then we come to infrastructure. Infrastructure has seen a very significant increase in fiscal years 22, 23, and 24, but now it is seeing a stagnation. So this is expenditure on roads that we have seen. Then we come to telecom, which has seen decreasing allocation. Power sector stagnated, and then we have the housing sector, so which has actually seen a significant rise this year. So this is all about our discussion. So we end the short discussion on the budget. And if you have any queries, you can write in the comment. Thank you and goodbye, everyone.